Hello, I'm Robert Lunte from CourseCREEK. I want to talk to you real quickly about artificial intelligence, in particular, human response intelligent agents. What is that? Essentially, shows up as a chat system on your website that is running 24/7, answering questions from your potential customers, traffic that you're sending to the website, to help them and guide those folks to the right solution or the right information on your website. We call it human because the conversation, the vibe, the experience of conversing with AI is very human-like. It's natural. There are automated chat systems that will run a certain script. It's very stiff and it'll guide your clients into a certain area of content that they're looking for. And in some sense, that's probably the predecessor to what I'm talking about here. And that's fine. I've used that service before. But the difference here is the conversation will be a lot more human-like. Now, let me be clear. If you ask this particular knowledge-based chat system question about, say for example, another life, I'm a voice coach, okay? So let's say you ask it something about warming up the voice for public speaking. It's not going to go out to the internet and find any content about warming up the voice for public speaking. It won't do that. It's actually going to reach into your content, your course, your scripts, your book, your deck, your IP, and answer the question in your voice with your solution, with your unique flavor. The longer it rolls, the more it engages in these conversations, the more it learns about what your clients are asking for and how best to answer those questions. And then the next logical step is the potential customer is going to be engaging in this bot and say, well, that sounds really great. That's really impressive. What do you recommend next? And then the bot says, well, as a matter of fact, I do recommend that you go right here to our sales landing page and take a look at the book. Take a look at the course where you can get more information. That is a knowledge-based, intelligent bot system. And we'd be happy to set this up for you. If you have a book, you have a course, if you have pre-existing content, give me a ring, contact us, and we will look into it, see if we can put it together for you. It's pretty amazing. Thanks.